King's House.
And once again, our fan's not an average fan, but a God-given blended type of thing. She told me in high school we'd be married one day. Now look at us with our big family, and we giving it up to the G.O.D. because he had it all planned it out for a week. We come from the CBT, even left LB to come from blessings for our family in AZ.
Whose house? The King's House.
Can't get you off of my mind. Always gonna be a man. Hate you, baby. Oh, here it goes right here. See, can't get you off of my mind. Nope, nope, nope.
Water, spinach juice, apples, red beet juice, lemon juice. Seems all natural, 100% juice. Hopefully it tastes good.
Yeah, baby, I gotta do the list.
Okay.
Make sure we have one.
All right, everybody. So this is what our life consists of now. Everything that we get, we have to check and make sure that it doesn't have anything that is not natural. As you can see, this has cucumbers, cup of grapes, bananas, blueberries, and a cup of spinach. So this is probably good. We'll see. We will see. And then we went over to the Buy Boat nuts, and most of the nuts actually are made in the same facilities where there's milk and peanuts and eggs. So we're checking out these packets. Here's what we normally buy in the packets, and hopefully they would tell us. See, like other tree nuts, and this one milk too. Dang.
All of them.
So the ones we got at home, we got from Walmart, so we'll probably have to use those. As you can see in our cart, we've already been shopping. We forgot to start recording, but this is what a vegan cart looks like. No meat, no egg, no dairy. So we'll see. We'll see how the rest of the shopping, and she's gonna start planting too. So you guys will be able to see the planting. And we came here extra hungry, so
That wasn't a good idea.
yeah, I'm like starving right now. We didn't eat this morning before we worked out.
How are you today?
Hey,
Did you find everything all right?
we found more than everything.
A few moments later.
Dang, I was off.
382.70.
Huh? Yeah. That's it. All right, so our total came out to almost $400 to restock our refrigerator and get all this good healthiness in our bodies.
Well, that's $400 for
$400,
7 people.
7 people, 8 people. That's not bad. That's not bad.
For a good 2 weeks.